Guys, really, I practically just went on a tour on the museum and hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm spending a day in Badagry Lagos. I said to take you guys on a tour. Currently I'm around the museum. I don't know if I'll be able to capture as much as possible, but so guys, I will show you guys just a little, and this is where they talk about the slave trade. Now I've noticed something. There's not, you cannot say one or two things without mentioning boats and fishing in Badagry. So if you guys think what people from Badagry do mostly is fishing, comment down below. Why do you think they always talk about fishing? And I don't know how this will go, and I hope you guys will like it. Guys, this is like a brief history of how slavery started. Though most of all these things are different people's perspective of how they feel slavery must have started. And someone I used to know, or someone I know used to say that most of these stories are already diluted. Different version handed down from one person to another. Guys, really, I practically just went on a tour on the museum and I would say that it's an interesting historic experience. I had to practically block out my head not to listen to some things. There's some horrific experiences you need to come and see over here. It's really, really, really bad. Though we're not allowed to record inside here, but there are things you can do after going sightseeing. You can actually get into their souvenir shop and get something for yourself. The souvenir shop is just here, close to this side, so you can just get in, shop for what you want. Normally I get souvenir, but after hearing all this about the experience of black people, the slave trade and all that, I just want to just go go home. So on to the next spot, guys. So guys, we're currently at Gberefu point of no return. This is the part where the slave masters takes a lot of people, and whenever they get here, they are very sure they will not come back, and the walking distance is a lot, guys. This was when I've gone to and for, and I realized you can actually take bike, but the bike guys will tell you 500. So guys, this is the well that normally makes slaves drink after the long trek. They'll make them take water to refresh themselves, not knowing that this particular water, whenever any slave takes it, they're unable to remember their roots. It's as if they wipe off their memory. This you will hear when you go to the slave trade museum. So guys, after a very long trek, you guys see all the places we passed, so long, and we're already panting. We're just getting closer and closer to point of no return, which I will show you guys in a minute. So guys, we're finally here at the area. You can see the point of no return, the journey of unknown, and this is where everybody seems to just give up. I'm not going back home. I'm no longer, I don't know where my root is from, because earlier on I also vlogged the well where they actually take water and they lose their memory. And imagine such inhuman things done to human beings. I'm not saying I'm trying to judge or to become a racist, but really now we have to forgive and move on. And this place is now a tourist attraction. You can see right there, people are practically having fun, and it's a lovely picture. I hope you guys enjoy it with me. So we're about to go in. So guys, this building you can see over there is like the docking site for the slave masters. This building is just the way it was back then. I don't know how they were able to preserve it,